If you use After Effects and you don't know these effects, you're making your edits way harder than they should be. These 18 built-in effects are still everywhere in viral edits, commercials, and motion graphics. 1. CC Twister. Perfect for twisting logos, text reveals, and abstract transitions. Simple controls, powerful motion. 2. CC Page Turn. Classic but still gold for book, document, or swipe-style transitions. 3. CC Drizzle. Used for rainy mood, particles, or atmosphere, especially in cinematic edits. 4. CC Cylinder. Wraps layers into a 3D cylindrical shape, great for tech or infographic animations. 5. Radio Wipe. One of the cleanest reveal effects for logos, clocks, and countdowns. 6. Corner Pin. Essential for screen replacement, phone mock-ups, and perspective fixes.
If you need free Premiere tutorials, presets, transitions, text animations, and ready-to-use packs, I have 2 videos that both went viral, and they include everything you need. Links are in the description. Don't miss them if you edit. And version 3 of the pack is on the way, so don't forget to subscribe.
7. Liquify. Used everywhere in viral distortion edits, face warps, and smooth morphs. 8. Fractal Noise. The king of background, smoke, fog, glitches, and textures. 9. CC Particle World. Old but powerful. Still used for energy, sparks, dust, and motion accents. 10. Wiggle. Not an effect, but every viral edit uses it. Adds natural shake, camera motion, and life. 11. CC Tiler. Perfect for repeating patterns, loops, and seamless backgrounds. 12. Bevel Edges. Adds depth and highlights to flat shapes and text. 13. Cell Pattern. Great for organic textures, sci-fi looks, and abstract visuals. 14. CC Threshold. Hard contrast effect. Used in stylized edits and graphic transitions. 15. CC Toner. Instant color grading for black and white or stylized looks. 16. Venetian Blinds. Surprisingly useful for rhythmic reveals and retro transitions. 17. CC Snowfall. Quick way to add snow, dust, or floating particles. 18. CC Light Sweep. One of the most used effects in logo reveals and glossy text animations. Now tell me, which one of these effects do you use the most? Or which one surprised you? Drop the number in the comments. And if you want real-world After Effects tips, subscribe, because this is just the beginning.